फ्यूचर इंग्लिश रीडिंग में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम लोग ब्राविया इंग्लिश बुक का क्लास 4 का इंग्लिश रीडिंग करेंगे, जिसके अंतर्गत लेसन 2 है का लेसन का नाम है प्रोडिगल सन। पेज नंबर 13। A rich farmer had two sons who worked with him on his farm. One day, the younger son said to his father, "When you die, half of everything you own will be mine. Give it to me now so that I can go off and have a good time." The father loved his sons and did not like to see either of them unhappy. So he counted his money and gave half of it to his younger son. इसी के साथ पेज नंबर 13 का रीडिंग समाप्त हुआ। अब हम लोग पेज नंबर 14 का रीडिंग करेंगे। पेज नंबर 14। A few days later, the younger son packed his belongings and bags of gold. Mounting his horse, he waved goodbye to his father and brother and set off. After traveling for many months, he reached a foreign country. Deciding to stay there for a while, he spent some of his gold on a large and splendid house. He spent his gold on clothes for himself and on presents for his new friends, who seemed to like him. He thought that gifts would make them like him even more. He invited all his new friends to his house for feast, which sometimes, यहाँ पर एज कटा हुआ है डियर स्टूडेंट, went on all night. There was always lots of good food, music and dancing. Spending so freely. His gold was soon over in less than 2 years. He had to go to moneylenders for more gold. Soon he had to sell off his house to pay his debts. He had no money and nowhere to live. He asked his friends for help, but they just laughed and called him a fool. Unhappy and alone, he tried to earn money to buy food, but there was a drought in the country. Sometimes he was so hungry that he ate the sheep's food to satisfy his hunger. One day, when he was lying on the hard ground, he thought of the home and his father who loved him. He remembered that his father's servants इसी के साथ पेज 13 और 14 का रीडिंग समाप्त हो गया। ये प्रोडिगल सन का पहला पार्ट है। दूसरा पार्ट का वीडियो कल अपलोड किया जाएगा। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब करें और दूसरे अन्य विद्यार्थी को भी इस चैनल के बारे में बताएं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।